Welcome back, adventurers. In our previous quest, we conquered the system setup. We battled through dependencies, tamed the database, and successfully installed the bench CLI. Now, it is time to put that tool to use. Today, we are initializing your workspace and launching the development server. Here is your mission briefing. Bench is your ultimate sidekick, the command line tool that manages everything. Your objective today is simple but critical. Initialize your first project folder and launch the server. The reward? A fully functional Frappe environment ready for your code. Bench installed. First, a quick gear check. This video assumes you have already completed the installation guide. If you haven't installed Bench yet, pause this video and go watch our installation quest guide first. If you are ready, let's begin. Quest 1. The Sanity Check. Let's make sure Bench is actually listening. Open your terminal and cast the first spell. Bench -- version. If you see a version number return, you have unlocked the Bench Found achievement. We are green to go. Now for the main event. Quest 2. Initialization. We need to create the directory where all your apps and sites will live. Run the command bench init frappe-bench. While that processes, let's look at what is actually happening. Bench is doing the heavy lifting for you. First, it fetches the core Frappe Framework from GitHub. Then, it sets up the Python environment using Ansible. Finally, it installs all the node dependencies using Yarn and builds the assets. This might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee. Once that completes, we move to Quest 3, into the dungeon. We need to enter our new workspace. Type cd frappe-bench. You are now inside the command center. Structure. Let's look at your map. This folder structure is important. The apps folder, this is where your code lives, including the Frappe framework itself. The sites folder, this holds your databases and public assets. And the proc file, this tells Bench which processes to run. And now the final boss. It is time to breathe life into this system. Run the command bench start. Watch the terminal closely. You will see the web server, the socket server, and the worker processes starting up. The key line you are looking for is running on HTTP 0.0.0.0 port 8000. You have successfully initialized your bench and the server is running. You officially have a working Frappe environment. But wait, a server without a site is like a library without books. In our next quest, we will create a new site and install your first app. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss it. This is Code India. Let's keep